Oh, hello, babish. I gotta be quiet.
No. Yeah.
So today I'm making the video. Here, look inside and make it. Oh. Alright, so today I'm making this video because, well, I decided I wanted to. If you watch my videos enough, you should know by now that I have just moved to Louisiana from Oregon. Kind of a long, kind of drive. That's why it sucked, but, anyways, that's not what the dealio is today. Today, I have a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away a crappy paper butterfly knife. Just because it has a lock on it. It has like little spiders on it. Anyways, I'm giving it away for free. Person to give me the 20th comment on this video. It doesn't matter if you're one person, just kind of going, just making a bunch of comments. You don't even have to say anything really, just a bunch of comments. And if there's 20 of them, 20th person, send me your email address, and I'll get this sent to you, and I'll give you maybe another thing. Something better, trust me, not homemade stuff. Something actually cool. Other than that, that's pretty much my video today, the free giveaway for Balisong paper, my Balisong butterfly knife, and some other cool stuff. So, remember, 20th comment, got your free stuff.